Looking for the perfect air compressor to tackle your DIY projects? With so many options on the market, finding the right one can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, we've researched and tested to bring you the 7 best air compressors, top picks for every DIY project. Whether you're inflating tires, powering tools, or doing home repairs, we've got a compressor tailored to your needs. Stay tuned as we break down the top features, durability, and usability of each option to help you make the best choice. Let's dive right in. Number 1. CRAFTSMAN Air Compressor 6-Gallon Pancake. The CRAFTSMAN 6-Gallon Pancake Air Compressor is a powerhouse for DIY enthusiasts. Its pancake-style design is compact yet robust, making it easy to store and transport. The 6-gallon tank offers ample capacity, ensuring consistent performance across various tasks, from inflating tires to running pneumatic tools. This model boasts an oil-free pump, eliminating the need for regular maintenance while enhancing its durability. With a maximum PSI of 150, it delivers excellent pressure, allowing you to complete tasks faster and more efficiently. It comes equipped with dual couplers, enabling 2 users to work simultaneously without compromising performance. The build quality is impressive, with sturdy materials ensuring long-lasting use. It's also lightweight at just 30 pounds, making it perfect for those who need mobility. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned DIYer, this air compressor is designed to handle diverse applications with ease and reliability. For usability, it starts up smoothly even in cold weather thanks to its advanced motor technology. Its high-efficiency pump ensures quick recovery times, so you can work without interruption. CRAFTSMAN has truly packed quality, convenience, and power into this compact unit, making it a top choice for any DIY project.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. POIYTL Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. The POIYTL Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor is the perfect compact solution for on-the-go air compression needs. Its lightweight and portable design make it easy to carry in your car, ensuring you're always prepared for emergencies. This model features a user-friendly digital display that shows real-time pressure readings. With its automatic shutoff function, it stops inflating as soon as the desired pressure is reached, preventing overinflation. Its 120-volt motor provides a maximum PSI of 150, making it ideal for inflating tires, sports equipment, and even small inflatables. One standout feature is the long power cord and air hose, giving you the flexibility to reach all 4 tires effortlessly. Its robust build ensures durability even with regular use, and it's designed to handle sudden temperature changes without losing efficiency. Usability is enhanced with its easy-to-navigate buttons and a bright LED light for nighttime operation. The POIYTL inflator is also surprisingly quiet, minimizing noise during use. Perfect for car owners and sports enthusiasts alike. This tire inflator combines portability, precision, and power in one compact package. Whether it's routine maintenance or an emergency, this little device has got you covered. Number 3. DEWALT Pancake Air Compressor 6-Gallon. The DEWALT 6-Gallon Pancake Air Compressor is a versatile tool built with professionals and DIYers in mind. Its rugged construction and signature yellow and black design showcase DEWALT's commitment to durability and performance. The 6-gallon tank provides enough capacity for most tasks, and its maximum 165 PSI sets it apart, offering higher pressure than many competitors. This allows for efficient operation of a variety of air tools, from nailers to sprayers. The oil-free pump ensures low maintenance, making it a hassle-free choice for busy users. It features a high-flow regulator and couplers, which maximize air tool performance. The quick recovery time ensures that your workflow remains uninterrupted, even during demanding tasks. Weighing only 30 pounds, this compressor is surprisingly portable for its power, with a comfortable handle for easy transport. One of its standout qualities is its reliable cold weather start, a crucial feature for those working in varying conditions. DEWALT's reputation for quality shines through in this model, making it an excellent investment for anyone needing a reliable air compressor for DIY projects or light professional use. Number 4. Wikutfry Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. The Wikutfry Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor combines functionality with convenience, making it an excellent choice for everyday use. Its sleek, compact design ensures portability, allowing you to keep it in your car for emergencies or regular tire maintenance. This inflator features a powerful motor with a maximum PSI of 150, capable of inflating tires in minutes. Its digital display provides clear pressure readings, and the auto shut-off feature ensures precision by stopping inflation at the preset pressure level. This makes it both user-friendly and safe to use. Constructed with durable materials, the Wikutfry inflator is built to last, even with frequent use. It includes an LED flashlight, perfect for nighttime or low-light situations. The long power cord and flexible air hose make it easy to access all tires, while the included nozzle adapters add versatility for inflating balls, mattresses, and other inflatables. Noise levels are surprisingly low, making it a pleasant tool to operate, whether you're a commuter, an outdoor enthusiast, or just someone who values preparedness. The Wikutfry Tire Inflator delivers reliable performance in a compact, portable design. Number 5. TEMOLA Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. The TEMOLA Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor is a modern solution for quick and efficient inflation needs. Its compact design is complemented by a premium build, making it both stylish and durable. Equipped with a powerful motor, this inflator delivers up to 150 psi, suitable for car tires, bike tires, and sports equipment. The easy-to-read digital display lets you monitor pressure in real time, and its one-touch functionality ensures hassle-free operation. It also features an automatic shutoff, preventing overinflation and enhancing safety. One of the standout features is its fast inflation speed, saving you time during emergencies or routine maintenance. The built-in LED light is a handy addition, offering illumination for nighttime use. Its lightweight and portable design mean you can carry it effortlessly in your car or garage. Durability is ensured with high-quality materials, and the long cord provides flexibility for reaching all tires. TEMOLA has created a reliable and user-friendly inflator that meets the demands of modern users. Whether you need quick inflation or long-term durability, this inflator delivers on all fronts. Number 6. Metabo HPT Air Compressor, 6-gallon. The Metabo HPT Air Compressor is a 6-gallon powerhouse designed for both professionals and serious DIYers. Its sleek, durable build ensures it stands up to demanding tasks, making it a reliable addition to any workshop. With a maximum PSI of 150 and an impressive air delivery rate, this compressor is perfect for running pneumatic tools, inflating tires, and more. The oil-free pump design minimizes maintenance while providing consistent performance over time. Its ergonomic handle and lightweight construction make it easy to transport to job sites or around the house. Metabo HPT excels in noise control, offering quieter operation compared to many of its competitors. It starts smoothly in cold weather, a crucial feature for those working in varying climates. Dual universal quick couplers allow for 2 users to operate simultaneously, increasing efficiency. This compressor's advanced features, paired with its robust construction, make it a standout choice for those who need power, reliability, and versatility. Whether you're a weekend DIYer or a professional contractor, the Metabo HPT Air Compressor has the performance and durability to meet your needs. Number 7. Quiet Air Compressor, 68 dB, 5-gallon steel tank. The Quiet Air Compressor with a 5-gallon steel tank is a top pick for users who value power without the noise. Operating at just 68 decibels, it is one of the quietest compressors in its class, making it perfect for indoor or residential use. Despite its quiet operation, this compressor packs a punch with its high-performance motor and maximum PSI of 125. The 5-gallon steel tank is built for durability, ensuring consistent airflow for a variety of applications. Its compact design and sturdy handle make it easy to transport, while the robust steel tank ensures long-term reliability. The oil-free pump requires minimal maintenance, and its advanced design ensures fast recovery times for uninterrupted workflow. This compressor is ideal for powering air tools, inflating tires, and other light to medium-duty tasks. The user-friendly controls, including an easy-to-read pressure gauge and quick connect couplers, enhance usability. With its quiet performance, durability, and efficiency, this compressor is perfect for hobbyists, DIYers, and anyone needing a reliable air compressor that won't disturb the peace. That wraps up our list of the 7 best air compressors. Top picks for every DIY project. Whether you need something compact and portable or a heavy-duty workhorse, there's an air compressor here for every task. Remember, the right compressor can save time, increase efficiency, and make your projects a breeze. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and DIY tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.